Theistic evolution, very label lets you know they're trying to argue that evolution is true and is the which God created the world. Well, what generally ends up happening is that it's very long and very short on God. Typically, what happened far too often is that it is almost just like putting the label the world has little or no for. Now, could God have created means of evolution? Of course He could. He's God. God can do whatever He wants. The question is this the way that He's done? And is this the way that He's revealed that He has done? And I would argue that both nature and Scripture that there is very clear evidence for divine act where God the world in such a way that it is wonder. In what I say, the Bible and nature itself show evidence that God has moved in this world in a miraculous way. So therefore, I do not think that theistic evolution is very for what we see. So I do would embrace evolution. I think the wisest course of action.